this idea and notion of perfection trap that we all fall for. Like I have this checklist and this is how it should be followed to perfection, and then only I would have met my criteria and I will meet my guy or my girl. What are your thoughts there?
Yeah. So one, let's talk about Mark Manson. How long have you known about Mark Manson?
I've read a few books by
Which
him.
ones? Everything is and
Yeah.
Subtle Art of
The
Not Giving
subtle
a
art.
Fuck.
It
Have you?
started from there.
No. Have you read Models by Mark Manson?
No.
He used to be a dating coach. Mark Manson, one of the biggest ones. He would do exactly what I'm doing. So in his 20s, he would take guys out, teach them how to talk to girls, had a blog. The blog got bigger, got married, started figuring out trauma and everything. And that's when he went into this journey of being a writer. He wrote a book called Models by Mark Manson. And then he went into all of this stuff. So
I didn't know about this at all.
yeah, so वो भी पहले ऐसी था, ठीक है, edgy. So anyway, but I think that quote वो काफी सही है because I've read his Subtle Art of Not Giving a F- and that's a nice book. Or this
It
quote,
simplifies the very big terms and concepts
Yeah.
into very simple, subtle,
Very
everyday,
simple
actionable things.
correct.
What to do, what not to do, what will lead to what, and what to avoid.
वो काफी सही है. So it's about like once we understand कि यार दुनिया में ना कोई भी परफेक्ट नहीं है और आपको भी परफेक्ट पार्टनर एग्जिस्ट भी नहीं करता है. सबके एक अच्छा साइड और एक बुरा साइड है, राइट? एवरीवन हैज डिफरेंट साइड्स टू देमसेल्व्स एंड वो सबको 100% पहले हमें खुद को एक्सेप्ट करना है एंड देन जो सामने वाला पर्सन है उसको भी एक्सेप्ट करना है. सो until and unless you accept your bad side or your dark side, you'll not be able to accept the other person's dark side.
Thanks.
One very common question that I get is people say that, I want to be natural when talking to a girl, right? But that's and then I tell them to do this, they say, but that's not who I am. I was like, who do you think you are, bro? Like, come on. When you were born, did you know anything about language? जो तुम आज बैठे यहाँ पे बातें कर रहे हो, जो कपड़े तुमने पहने हुए हैं, the language you're using, the words you're saying, you're walking today. Did you know anything there? You didn't know anything. All of the education you've had, you've learned from somewhere. बट वेन इट कम्स टू डेटिंग एजुकेशन देन यू डिस्काउंट इट. लाइक हम स्कूल गए तो सारी चीज़ें करने के लिए इंग्लिश हमने वहाँ पे पढ़ी, हमने लेटर्स वहाँ पे पढ़े हैं, बट वो मेरा नेचुरल सेल्फ है. बट अगर मैं लड़की से कैसे बात करनी है सीखूँ तो वो मेरा नेचुरल सेल्फ नहीं है. सो दैट्स लाइक अ डबल स्टैंडर्ड दैट एग्जिस्ट देयर. सो पीपल लाइक हाँ या ब्रो मेक सेंस. लाइक ऑफ कोर्स इट डज. Meditating will not get you there. Mindfulness will not get you there. You have to put yourself out there and talk to girls. That's what will get you there. And once you've done that, once you know that, how attraction works for women, how are you supposed to have a conversation, what women like, what women don't like, sense of humor kya hota hai, attraction build how do you tease someone, how do you flirt with someone, how do you have that playful banter going on, how do you text, what do you do on a date. जब ये सारी चीज़ें आपको आ जाती हैं, then is where the conversation of meditation and mindfulness and the inner journey starts at a point in time जहाँ पे आपने बेसिकली वो कर लिया. बिकॉज अगर आप पहले मेडिटेशन और इनर जर्नी से स्टार्ट करते हो, दैट इज जस्ट अगेन अ वे ऑफ प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन. जैसे सख्त लौंडे बोलते हैं कि मैं पैसे कमाऊंगा, बट अंदर से उनको डर लगता है लड़की से बात करने में. सिमिलरली यू वांट टू मेडिटेट बिकॉज यू हैव फियर ऑफ अप्रोचिंग द गर्ल. कन्फ्रंट द फियर डायरेक्टली. सो if you want to be fit, you go to the gym, right? You don't go meditate. If you want to earn more money, you go earn money, you get a job or you learn about finances, you don't go meditate. If you want to learn how to get good with girls, you don't go meditate. You go talk to girls. So you need to tackle the problem at hand head on rather than usko idhar udhar. Yeah, and of course that has a place in it. But एक बार आगे तो बढ़ाओ थोड़ा सा, फिर करेंगे वो भी.